Do it again.
No, you're gonna record it.
It's funny, please. I just want to. Are they closed on Sundays?
I hope not. Oh, it'll be 50. Yeah, it looks like they're closed. Monday, Saturday. Is it past 6? Yep, they're closed.
Do it again. That is the funniest thing ever.
Ooh.
One more time.